Welcome to Nebula Narratives, where we simplify science and space for curious minds. Today we're tackling one of the most pressing issues of our time, climate change. But what exactly is it? Why does it matter? And how does it impact us? Let's find out. Before we talk about climate change, let's first understand what climate is. Climate refers to the average weather patterns of a region over a long period, usually 30 years or more. For example, deserts are known for their dry climate, while rainforests are humid and wet. This is different from weather, which changes daily. A sunny day or a rainy afternoon doesn't define a region's climate. Now, what exactly is climate change? It's the long-term alteration of Earth's climate. Over thousands of years, the planet's climate has naturally shifted due to factors like volcanic eruptions or changes in the Earth's orbit. However, in the last 150 years, these changes have accelerated at an unprecedented rate, and the primary reason is human activity. The science behind climate change largely revolves around the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is a natural process that keeps Earth warm enough to support life. Gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor trap heat from the sun in the atmosphere. But here's the issue. Human activities, such as burning fossil fuels and cutting down forests, have increased the concentration of these greenhouse gases. This causes the planet to trap more heat than it should, leading to global warming. So, how do we know climate change is happening? The evidence is all around us. Glaciers and polar ice caps are melting, causing sea levels to rise. Extreme weather events like hurricanes, droughts, and floods are becoming more frequent, and ecosystems are being disrupted, with plants and animals struggling to adapt to the rapid changes. Climate change doesn't just affect the environment, it impacts every aspect of our lives. Rising temperatures can reduce crop yields, leading to food shortages. Water sources are drying up in many regions, creating conflicts over access. Even human health is at risk, with the spread of diseases like malaria and heat-related illnesses. Entire communities near coastlines face displacement due to flooding and erosion. There are many myths about climate change. Some argue that it's just a natural cycle. While it's true that the Earth has gone through warm and cold periods in the past, the current rate of warming is far beyond anything seen before, and it's directly linked to human activities. Another common misconception is that it's too late to act, but the truth is every small action can contribute to slowing the effects of climate change. The good news is that we can still combat climate change. It starts with small changes, switching to renewable energy like solar and wind, reducing waste and planting more trees. Communities around the world are already stepping up with innovative solutions to protect our planet. Imagine the impact if we all joined in.